AI has completely transformed our way of life and how we conduct business. At this point, it can do almost anything. And yes, making money also falls under the definition of anything. It's hard to believe, but you could easily make more money using a free tool like ChatGPT than you make from your average 9-to-5 job. And in this video, we'll tell you just how to do that. So from creating an online course to building your very own chatbot, here's how you can make money online with AI. Creating online courses. You've probably noticed lots of people selling courses all over the place, but believe it or not, many people actually buy them. There's always customers wanting to spice up their skill set with something new, and you can help them do that without being a master of the trade yourself. This is not to say that you shouldn't have any knowledge about your own course, but AI will help you create most of it. For starters, AI can help brainstorm good course topics by analyzing market trends and user demand. This way, you'll know what to sell at a specific point in time. Let's say you get a good course topic, but you don't know anything about it. Will you just up and leave? No, because AI will create the most relevant course outline for you, which will kind of be like the backbone of the entire course. Once that's done, you'll only be left with researching and generating content based on the outline, and AI can help you write the course as well. And of course, a human touch always makes it better. You can do that by reviewing the course to ensure accuracy and quality, and even by adding interactive elements like quizzes, discussions, and assignments by yourself. That's it. Just by following these few steps, you can create an entire professional course, and once you get the hang of it, you could even create multiple courses, averaging one course a month. And don't worry, because you won't need to resort to Insta comments for marketing or selling your course. There's tons of platforms out there like Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable, and Coursera, and all of them let you sell your course at a price of your choosing. But if that's something you're not into, you could also opt for something as simple as photo editing and make tons of money using AI tools to help you. Photo editing. Ever gone through your family albums and found one or two rare 100-year-old pictures? There could be your grandparents in there, but there's no way to tell. The best you can see is a blob, and if you're lucky, you might even make out their clothes, but that's about it. This is exactly why photo editing, especially restoring old photos, is highly in demand these days. Apart from family photos, people want historical moments, famous celebrities, and pretty much anything that tickles their fancy to be brought to modern colors. Now, until now, a person would have to manually tweak the photo on Canva or Adobe, probably spend a day on one photo, and still not get the best results. But the good news is, people still think that's the case, and that's why they're willing to pay a lot for it. After all, bringing a picture from the 1800s to life is nothing less than magic itself, and guess who'll be waving the wand for you? AI! There are so many AI tools in the market right now, like Deep AI, Let's Enhance, and De-Oldify, and you can restore a photo using these tools in literally one click. All you have to do is upload a photo to these websites and let them work their magic. In fact, you can even restore a few photos without a job, build a portfolio, and use it to attract clients on Fiverr and Upwork who have no idea about the role of AI in this. Based on what you're restoring and who you're restoring it for, you could earn hundreds of dollars just from one gig. Even apart from photo restoration, there's background removal, watermark removal, and tons of tools like Media.io, RemoveBG, and Removal.ai to help you do your job. You might find it hard to believe that there's money in this, but trust me, there's a buyer for everything out there. And that includes freelance writing. Let's be honest, content writing is back-breaking work at the very least. From brainstorming to researching, drafting, editing, and finally sending it in, it just doesn't seem worth it. But those days are long gone now, and AI can assist you with every single one of these tasks, and it doesn't even have to be boring like your college essays. From blogging and copywriting to articles and even social media posts, there's a ton of writing opportunities out there. You could, of course, use AI to make money from your own content, like starting a blog, but there's a tough chance it'll make you a millionaire overnight. Instead, freelancing websites like Fiverr or Upwork are the best place to start your job hunt. With so many businesses and websites having blogs, the demand for good content is crazy out there. But keep in mind that a single ChatGPT prompt will not cut it. AI might be intelligent, but it has to be used intelligently as well. Don't worry though, it's definitely easier than writing something from scratch all by yourself. You can use ChatGPT or Jasper AI for ideas, brainstorming, and even whole chunks of writing. And in case you're feeling too lazy and pick that last one, make sure to tweak the content a little bit by making edits and restructuring sentences and paragraphs just so it's not all AI. Also, try to use different prompts and commands, and you'll definitely find one that hits the mark. You might still have to make small changes, but you'll save a ton of time and work while making easy money on the side. Another niche you can explore is e-commerce. E-commerce has taken the world by storm, especially since COVID hit, and now most people actually prefer ordering online than roaming the streets. It's pretty convenient to buy something from the comfort of your own bed, right? After all, the entire work is being done by the person who owns the online store. Well, not exactly. You see, most of the online stores you visit could and would be created in most part by AI. There's so many tools like Midjourney, airdev.co, web.com, 10web.io, and all of them will literally create an entire website for you. Not just that, these tools will also create the art or mock-ups of your products for you. So, AI can create both the website and the merchandise for you. There you have it, your very own online store. And what's great about using AI to do this is that you won't need to have the product at hand. You can use AI to create mockups and market them on your website without taking the risk of losing your money. At the same time, you can use platforms like Printify, which offers print-on-demand services, meaning that the product will only be produced once an order has been placed. This works especially well for customized cups, t-shirts, and keychains, where any customer can decide what they want written on a product, and Printify will create and ship it to them. And the cherry on top, AI will even recommend your products to people based on their personal choices, predict marketing trends, and optimize pricing strategies for you. Tools like Optimizely, Dynamic Yield, and Salesforce Einstein can help you do all of this. But that's not all. You can also make money creating AI chatbots. Now, you might have seen customer support windows automatically opening up whenever you visit a big website. Newsflash, that is not an actual human sitting behind a computer. Most big businesses and websites are using AI chatbots to help out with customer support and technical assistance, and of course, they need someone to actually make the chatbot. This is where you come in with your AI skills. You see, ChatGPT and other AI models serve as the brains behind every chatbot. These models are trained on huge amounts of data, allowing them to understand natural language and engage in human-like conversations. But building a chatbot is so much more than just plugging a pre-trained AI model. You also need a sleek front end, a user interface that is easy to understand and appealing to the customer. This is where coding skills come into play, and no, it's not your coding skills. Yep, you don't need to be a seasoned programmer to create an AI chatbot, because with the right prompts, ChatGPT will do just that for you. How? All you have to do is ask GPT for steps to create an AI chatbot using a specific programming language, say Python, and it'll guide you through the entire process. It can guide you on how to use the OpenAI API to access relevant information from indexed JSON files, and even how to build your chatbot's front end using TypeScript. That's it. Your personal chatbot is ready to hit the market, and trust me, there's always someone who needs a chatbot that's better at playing human than humans themselves. With AI, the possibilities are endless. Just pick a niche you like and start making money.